Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Toolbox in Roblox Studio. All right, let's begin. To open the Toolbox in Roblox Studio, start by opening the Start menu on your computer and launching the Roblox Studio app. Once Roblox Studio is open, you can either create a new experience or open an existing game project. After your project loads, the Toolbox is usually visible by default on the bottom left side of the screen. This panel allows you to access models, parts, scripts, and other assets for your game. If you do not see the toolbox or if it was accidentally closed, you can easily bring it back. Look toward the top right side of the Roblox Studio interface. Here you will find a toolbox icon in the toolbar. Click on this icon once and the toolbox panel will reappear on the screen. Clicking the same icon again will hide the toolbox, so make sure it is enabled. You can move the toolbox around the workspace or resize it based on your preference. Keeping it open makes building and editing your game much faster and easier. This method works for both new projects and existing experiences in Roblox Studio. So that's basically how you can open Toolbox in Roblox Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks.